children. Last week you have learned the short answers of second lesson current velocity, and now we are going to see about the drift velocity and mobility. So what is drift velocity? It is nothing but the velocity with which the free electrons get drifted towards the positive terminal. And what are these free electrons? When we consider any material, it is made up of neutral atoms with equal number of electrons and protons. These electrons in the outermost orbit leave the atoms and they become free electrons, and they are responsible for the current. So the electrons which are responsible for the flow of electric current, we call it as free electrons. And now we will see the expression for drift velocity. When we place a conductor in an electric field, free electrons experiences a force. Whatever is being placed in an electric field, there will be some force experienced in that, and that force is nothing but minus E vector. This E is nothing but the charge of electron, and this capital E is nothing but the electric field. This arrow mark indicates the vector notation. Force is always a vector form, and this is small e is charge of electron and capital E is electric field. It is a vector quantity, and this negative sign indicates that all the free electrons are accelerated in the direction opposite to the electric field. This will be moving, that will be pushed opposite to the electric field. And according to Newton's law, we know F is equal to ma, mass into acceleration. From this concept, A is F by m. And here we know the first equation. Considering this force, we get acceleration is equal to, that is, this force is being substituted to this equation. A vector is equal to minus E vector by m. And this is what acceleration. We know acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity, v by t. From this, v is at. So here we need to find the expression for drift velocity. Drift velocity is denoted as v suffix d, drift velocity. So, and the time t here we are denoting it as tau, that is the average time between successive collision. That is also called as mean free time or relaxation time. This time is either called as mean free time or relaxation time, which is nothing but average time between successive collision. So this velocity Vd is equal to a tau. As per the expression, v is equal to at. Substituting the value for acceleration minus E vector by m, we have Vd, that is drift velocity, is equal to minus E vector by m into tau. This E vector is the electric field. The other three concepts totally together we take it as mu, which is called as mobility of electrons. E tau by m is equal to mu, which is called as mobility of electrons. So this mobility of electrons is nothing but the magnitude of drift velocity acquired by free electron per unit electric field, that is drift velocity by electric field. Here with this expression, that is Vd is equal to minus mu E, we have mu is equal to Vd by E. So with that expression we have the definition, the magnitude of drift velocity acquired by the free electron per unit electric field, Vd by E. And the unit for mobility is m square v to the power minus 1 and s to the power of minus